Welcome to Mastering Custom Models in Django. Today, we'll explore advanced model techniques for building robust, scalable web applications. Our focus will be on model architecture fundamentals, advanced field types, validation, and real-world patterns. Django models serve as the backbone of your application, mapping Python classes to database tables. Each model class defines fields as class attributes, which the object relational mapping translates into database columns. This abstraction layer simplifies data manipulation, allowing developers to focus on business logic while the object relational mapping handles structured query language intricacies. Understanding this architecture is crucial for maintainable applications. Django models serve as the core blueprint for your data, defining both structure and business logic. Each model class corresponds to a database table, with attributes as fields. The object relational mapping translates Python objects to database rows, offering a seamless abstraction from structured query language. Inheriting from Django.db.models.model, it connects Python code to the database efficiently. The product model exemplifies best practices in Django. It includes a char field for names with indexing, a decimal field for prices with validation, and a date-time field for timestamps. The meta class manages ordering and plural naming, ensuring efficient database operations and a user-friendly admin interface. Model inheritance in Django offers three powerful patterns: abstract base classes, multi-table inheritance, and proxy models. Abstract base classes allow shared fields without creating a parent table, ideal for timestamps. Multi-table inheritance creates separate tables with implicit joins, enabling polymorphic queries. Proxy models alter Python behavior without database changes, offering flexibility in method and ordering adjustments. Abstract base classes in Django allow you to define common fields like timestamps and metadata without creating a database table. The abstract nchar true meta option ensures no table is created. The %class's placeholder in related name provides unique reverse relations for each child model, enhancing code reusability and maintainability. Custom model managers refine query control in Django. The published manager filters articles by published status and published date. It includes a by-author method for author-specific queries. Retain the default objects manager to access all records, ensuring flexibility. This approach enhances code maintainability and API intuitiveness, streamlining data retrieval processes. Custom managers in Django streamline querying. Use article.objects.all for all articles, including drafts. For published ones, article.published.all suffices. To filter by author, article.published. By author, author, request.user is effective. Managers chain like query sets, enabling complex queries like recent published, with filters and relationships, while maintaining lazy evaluation for performance. Custom field types in Django allow for specialized behavior by extending existing fields like char field or integer field. Implement from DB value to convert database values to Python objects and override getPrep value for serialization. Define the form field method to ensure seamless integration with Django forms and the admin interface. The color field class extends char field to store hex color codes with validation. It ensures codes are validated against a regex pattern and stored in uppercase. The fromDB value method converts database values to uppercase, while getPrep value ensures consistent storage. This approach guarantees data integrity and uniformity in handling color codes. Advanced validation techniques in Django enhance data integrity. Use regex validator for phone numbers, ensuring format compliance. Field-level validation, like in the event model, checks logical constraints, such as ensuring the end date is after the start. Remember, full clean must be called explicitly to enforce these validations, unless using model forms, which automate this process. Django's meta.constraints option enforces data integrity at the database level. For instance, check constraint ensures ended date is after start or date, and guests are at least one. Unique constraint guarantees room and start or date combinations are unique. These constraints are part of the database schema, providing a robust layer of validation beyond application-level checks. Custom model methods encapsulate business logic, enhancing model functionality. Instance methods like getFullName and isExpired operate on individual model instances. Property decorators, such as age and total price, provide computed attributes without database storage. URL methods, including getAbsoluteURL, integrate seamlessly with Django's URL routing, offering dynamic URL generation for model instances. In complex business logic, the order model exemplifies robust transaction handling. The calculate_total method aggregates line item subtotals, while the confirm method ensures inventory sufficiency before confirming orders. Using transaction.atomic, it maintains data integrity, preventing stock inconsistencies. Validation error is raised for non-pending orders or insufficient stock, ensuring reliable order processing. The meta class in Django models fine-tunes database behavior, impacting both performance and admin interface display. Default ordering is set by created and name, while shop products is the database table name. Unique constraints ensure no duplicate name and category pairs. Indexes on category and price enhance query efficiency, crucial for large datasets. Identify query patterns using tools like Django Debug Toolbar. Add indexes on fields in where clauses, joins, and order bys. Use explain to verify index usage and measure improvements. Continuously monitor performance and adjust indexes as data evolves. Remember, while indexes enhance read speed, they can slow down writes if overused. Advanced indexing in Django can significantly enhance query performance. Use compound indexes for queries filtering by multiple fields, like status and publish date. Partial indexes, specific to PostgreSQL, optimize by indexing only rows meeting conditions, such as publish status. Functional indexes, like case-insensitive searches on titles, further refine query efficiency. Django signals enable decoupled apps to react to model events like post-save and pre-delete. For instance, create a user profile upon user creation or clean up files before deleting an article. Use signals for cross-app communication, not core logic, and keep handlers simple to avoid complex cascading saves. Generic foreign keys in Django allow comments to be attached to any model, providing true polymorphism. This is achieved using the content type framework, enabling flexibility across various model types. However, it compromises database integrity, so use it when you need to support multiple model types without strict relational constraints. Avoid N+1 queries by using select related for foreign key and one-to-one relationships, fetching related objects in a single query. For reverse foreign key, many-to-many, and generic foreign key, use prefetch related to execute separate queries efficiently. Use only and defer to load specific fields, minimizing data transfer when full data isn't required. Advanced query set techniques enhance data retrieval. Use queue objects for complex filtering, combining conditions like publish status and high views. Annotate with count and AVG for insights, such as article counts and average views. F expressions compare fields directly, while subqueries allow intricate lookups, like fetching the newest comment text efficiently. These tools optimize database interactions. Transaction management ensures data integrity using atomic operations. The eTransaction.atomic decorator guarantees all or nothing execution. Save points allow partial rollbacks, handling exceptions without affecting entire transactions. Pessimistic locking with select for update prevents concurrent modifications, maintaining consistency. These techniques are crucial for reliable financial operations and complex data manipulations, ensuring robust application behavior. Model testing ensures robust applications. Use Django's test case to validate models. Test price validation to ensure positivity, stock reduction for accuracy, and string representation for clarity. Follow a checklist. Validate rules, test custom methods, business logic, constraint violations, manager methods, signal handlers, and edge cases. This guarantees reliable, maintainable code. Multi-tenant architecture in Django involves using a tenant-aware manager to filter queries by tenant, ensuring data isolation. The tenant model serves as an abstract base, automatically assigning the current tenant on save. Unique constraints, like unique title per tenant, enforce data integrity across tenants. This approach optimizes data management and security in multi-tenant applications. Mastering Django requires a deep understanding of model architecture and object relational mapping. Optimize performance with select related and prefetch related to avoid N+1 queries. Encapsulate business logic within models using custom methods and managers. Ensure data integrity with constraints and transactions. Continue learning about advanced topics like asynchronous object relational mapping support and PostgreSQL features.